Hello, my name is Joseph Chung and I'm a warship conservation volunteer on board HMS Belfast. For the past 2 days, volunteers on board HMS Belfast have been conducting simulated gun firings, and here are some of the highlights.
Hello, can you guys hear me over there? Yes? Yeah? You guys can, awesome. Can you guys hear me up there? Yeah? Awesome. Okay. Welcome to HMS Belfast. You're currently on the boat deck, these people here, where we'll be demonstrating the operation of the ship's secondary armaments, those mounts there. The primary armaments being the 12 6-inch guns mounted on the bow and stern of the ships, the really big ones that you went past as you walked in. During wartime, HMS Belfast would have carried a crew of about 940 officers and men, and around 400 of these would have served as gun crews. For the crews of each of the main 6-inch gun turrets, there would have been about 27 people inside the turrets and a further 20 in the magazines and shell rooms below. The gun over there is a 4-inch Mark 16 twin 4-inch gun. Originally the ship was fitted with 6 of these mounts. The after two were removed in 1944 and several 20mm Oerlikon mounts were fitted prior to the ship going to the Far East. The guns are primarily designed to engage aircraft, but can also be used to engage surface targets ashore or afloat. The 30-pound warheads can be fired to a height of 39,000 feet or about 12 miles in surface action. The ammunition is stored in lockers around the guns and can be resupplied from the magazine 5 decks below up to the shell hoists, which are under those white tops there. Each mount weighs about 17 tons and had a crew of about 15 to operate it. A good crew was expected to fire up to 20 rounds per minute per gun. In charge of each gun mounting would be a leading rate or petty officer. The crew would have been made up of a trainer responsible for traversing the guns left and right, a layer responsible for raising and lowering the guns, while the rest of the crew would have been loaders. During the Battle of North Cape on Boxing Day 1943, HMS Belfast was part of a group of British ships that sank the German battle cruiser, the Scharnhorst. It is believed that that battle was opened by a star shell fired from the P1 4-inch gun, which is being used in our demonstration today. During the 33 days that HMS Belfast supported the D-Day landings, her 4-inch guns were fired over 1,000 shells. All these guns were manufactured before or during the Second World War, so they're beginning to show their age. Today's gun crew are all warship conservation volunteers who are helping with the conservation of gun units and other machinery around the ship. They've restored 2 Bofa mounts, which are behind you guys up there, a 4-inch gun mount, a shell hoist, 2 directors, and most of the compartments forming the superstructure. To avoid confusion on ships with other major threats, the word fire was not used on Royal Naval ships. Target bearing, red 90, elevation 35 degrees, engage, 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 shoot! 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 Check, 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 we alive? Yeah. Awesome, thank you very much for listening. If you have any questions, please come past the barriers and ask us. Thank you.
Shoot!
Misfire.
Shoot! Check, check, check! That concludes the demonstration. If you would like to ask the crew any questions, please do ask. If you would like more information about our volunteer program and how to get involved, please see one of our staff or volunteers at the Conservation Information Centre on the phone.
I love this.
Thank you very, very much for being here today. Thank you.
Shoot!
35 degrees. Engage, engage, engage. Shoot! Shoot!